Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see a very simple Bluetooth speaker. The Bluetooth speaker consists of a Bluetooth module, two speakers, stereo speakers, and a ClassD amplifier. So this amplifier is based on PAM8403, a very popular 3-watt ClassD amplifier which produces a 10% total harmonic distortion at 3-watt output. It gives a 3-watt output at 5-volt power supply. It's filterless, low quiescent current and low EMI, superior low noise, efficiency up to 90%. It has got inbuilt short circuit protection, thermal shutdown. It takes very few external components and low cost. This is popularly found in laptops, LCD monitors, etc. So this PAM8403 amplifier, ClassD amplifier, it offers very low total harmonic distortion and plus noise, allowing to achieve high quality sound reproduction. So let us see the amplifier. We can see two 10-watt amplifier, two speakers here. Then this is the Bluetooth module which I have used, small Bluetooth module. So I have connected a 5-volt power supply, and this is the PAM8403 amplifier. I have again connected 5 volts power supply to that. So I have connected two speakers to the, you can see the left and right, you can see the output and the input here, and this is the power supply for that. The charger, it's made up of three lithium ion batteries. You can see the charging happening here. I have connected a normal USB charger, 5 volts. You can see the charging. So once it is completely charged, this red color LED will turn blue. Okay, let us play a song and see the output and check the audio quality. So now I'll be turning on the Bluetooth player. I've turned on the Bluetooth player, and